The AND function is a logical function that only returns true or false. You set some criteria, and it checks all the criteria. And if all the criteria match, are all positive, are all true, then it will return a true value. If just one of them is false, then it'll return a false value. So let's say we have this table here. We got a group of bowlers, and their scores through over 3 games that are all in here. And say we want to know, did they bowl at least a 200 in all the games? So since we want to find out in game 1 and game 2 and game 3, we want to use the AND function. So we can insert the function by click the FX there, and click OK. And now here's where we put all our logical tests. So the first test is cell B2 greater than 200? If you look right here, it already tells you it's false. Then is cell C2 greater than 200? And is cell D2 greater than 200? If you look here, all 3 are false, so it's going to return a false value. The only way for an AND statement to be true is all the results have to be true. So you click OK. So this comes up as a false. So we can copy this down. You can copy it just by dragging. Drag it down a few spots. And they're all false here. However, if you change a number, say now this becomes 210, all of a sudden this is now true, because look, it's Jack's bowled a 225, a 210, and a 253. All of those over 200, so it becomes a true. We can even just type this in if you don't want to use the wizard. So equals and parentheses, the first cell B5. B5 is greater than 200. You have to separate all your criteria just by commas. So it's B5 greater than 100, C5 greater than 200, and D5 greater than 200. You click the end of parentheses to end the function, and here it is. It's going to check all 3 of these criteria. If all of them are true, it's going to come up with a true. Press enter. Since only one of them is true, it'll come up with a false. And that's just how you use the AND function.